On today's episode of We Got Food at Home, honey, let's make some bomb beef taquitos. And y'all can tell me these don't look good. Oh, okay. First, you're going to season your ground beef to your liking. I'm using salt, pepper, and a little taco seasoning. Then you're just going to mix it around real good. And I like to break up my ground beef because I don't like the big old chunks, honey. Then you're going to fill up your tortilla shell with your ground beef mixture and some cheese, honey. Add just some cornstarch slurry to the edges so that way it can stay folded. And as you can see, I took mine real tight, honey, and just roll it up, okay? And then you're going to seal that edge so it won't open, okay? I'm going to show y'all one more time. And honey, look at my nails. I need to fill in, but that's besides the point, okay? Add your mixture, add your cornstarch, and then you're going to tuck it real tight and just fold it on up, okay? And then after you're done with that, add it to your hot grease. And just going to put all of them in there. Well, not all of them, maybe about 4, depending on how big your skillet is. And as you can see, honey, I was having a hard time trying to flip this one. So I said, let me move on to the next one. That was real easy, okay? And I said, let me try again so it won't burn up. And y'all just look how bum they look already. You can stop there, or you can add you some cheese sauce and parsley, honey, and eat them as is. Or you for a little razzle dazzle, get you some pico. And y'all, boom, look at how good these things look.